when she's about to be trapped in a blizzard.
Minute vibes.
All right, let's go. What's up?
I would rather be on that asteroid, on the drill, on Armageddon,
Prepare the world for bad news.
than locked outside the little compound on Archive 81 in a blizzard in the forest.
I would definitely rather be locked outside in the forest in a blizzard.
You know you don't like the cold.
Bruh.
Didn't say I couldn't wear 10 jackets. You in space on a freaking asteroid.
You seen the end of the movie. They got through.
Not everybody.
I'm gonna get through. I'm coming back.
Nah, I'm gonna be in my little 20 jackets in the blizzard on land on planet Earth chilling.
I see you never been in a blizzard.